Looking to forge a strong connection with your PC technician? Daniel Zivetz at West LA Computer Expert is your guy, and here's how to make that relationship count. When you're in for a checkup or a fix, bring up the latest in tech. Maybe it's a new software update or a gadget you've had your eye on. Daniel's got insights, and he's keen to share. It's not just small talk. It's about showing genuine interest in what he does. Ever wondered how those pesky computer issues come about? Ask Daniel. His explanations can demystify the tech for you, and who knows, maybe next time, you'll troubleshoot before even picking up the phone. But it's not all about tech. Share your experiences too. Did you try fixing something and ended up in a hilarious mess? Tell him. It's these stories that turn a service transaction into a personal connection. Regular visits? They're not just for when things go wrong. They're opportunities to learn a bit more, to appreciate the craft behind the tech. And yes, don't forget to say thanks. It's not just polite. It shows you value the expertise and effort. This mutual respect is what solid rapport is built on. Remember, it's these interactions that can make your next tech emergency a bit more like calling up a knowledgeable friend rather than just another service call. So, dive deep into those conversations. The next time you're faced with a tech conundrum, you won't just have a technician, you'll have Daniel on your side.